We now have a map of what a business entity is. Now let's create our first entity, called Customer, where each customer's data will be stored. First, we'll click the New Business Entity button. The form will open in the Schema tab, where we'll define the basic data for our entity. We'll write the name of the entity. Next, we'll write the key. This is the permanent technical identifier of the entity. Something to keep in mind is that we won't be able to change it after saving. We'll add a description to make clear what is going to be stored. And now comes the key step, the category. Since sales doesn't exist yet, let's click on the category dropdown. We'll create it here by clicking the Create New Category button. We'll add the category we want, and we'll click the Create Category button. Customer already exists, but it's empty. We need to define what information it will store. Let's scroll down to the Field section and click the Add Field button. We'll start with the most obvious one, the name. First, I'll add a field key. Then a field label. Finally, we'll leave the field type as text. That covers the basic tab. Now let's go to validation. Here we have several controls. The two that matter for name are required, which makes the field mandatory, and indexed for filtering, which allows us to search and filter customers by name later. We'll enable both of them, and let's click the Save Field button. Let's continue with the email field. We'll fill in the field key and the field label. And here's a nice detail. When we choose the email field type, Schema automatically validates the format. We don't have to write extra rules for that. In validation, we enable required because without an email, we can't contact the customer. And also, indexed for filtering because we'll want to search for customers by email. We click the Save Field button to save the field. We need to know if a customer is still active or has stopped working with us, as we don't want to remove them from the system, but we also don't want them to appear in new reports. To do this, we've created a boolean field called Active Customer. Let's click the Add Field button. We'll add the field key as is active, and we'll add the field label. Let's click on the Field Type dropdown. The field type will be Boolean. Here we have a tab we haven't used yet, Advanced. In Advanced, we can define the default value. Since almost every new customer starts out active, we'll set it to true. That way, we don't have to check it manually every time. Let's click Save Field. Let's click the Create Business Entity button. Let's go back. And that's it. Customer now exists with its first fields, and Sales already has its first entity. The other fields, such as phone number, address, and date, are added in exactly the same way. In the following video, we connect invoice with customer using a relationship field.